Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and display the image exchange JavaFX application. Implements a client-server application model. We're gonna be sending images back and forth from client to a server. So here I'll start off by running the server. Okay, so you can see now the server's running, and I will now open the client. Client is currently running on a JavaFX window. And we have a radio button to switch between 6 different options, a field for username, password, and a parameter. Parameter right now is only being used for option 1, in which we query for another user's image, and we pass the other user's username through as a parameter in order to receive their image on the client side. And so we'll try that first option first. And we actually do need the parameter, so we'll leave it in there, and we'll query to the server, and the server returns this image here. You can see it is captioned as a server image with the image that is found here, and this right here is the server files in the file explorer, and over here up here is the client files in the client side. And so if we go here, you can see that image, that's the ones that we received over here on the application on the window here, JavaFX window. And so that was successful. And then option 2, we query a user image. So basically we're going to be looking into this user right here, D1567 directory, and receiving an image. So here you see D1567's image here in the server side, and we're going to receive this in our JavaFX window once we query that out. So we query and we receive that image, as you can see. Option 3, we're going to receive all the images in the server. So the server's root directory is here in users, and we have an image here in the root directory, and we have an image inside of D1567's directory, and another one in RJessica's 910's directory. And so we should receive, once we enter this option 3, we should receive those 3 images here on our JavaFX window. So we send out the query. We actually don't need a parameter for that, this option. We can query that, and as you can see, we received those 3 images that I told you about. Okay, so option 4 now is to download a user image. So basically, this is going to go out and query the server side for a user's an image from a user's directory, and we're gonna enter the server as D1567. So it's gonna go out to D1567 and grab its server side image, and then download it over to the client side D1567 directory. As you can see here, when we chose to query another user's image, we actually downloaded the other user's image here onto our client side directory. That's why this image appears here. You can actually delete that one. So now we're gonna go ahead and execute option 4, download a user's image into the client side directory. And so we executed the command, and as you can see, the server image is now in the client side directory. And so for option 5, the option is to upload a user image from the client side over to the server side. And so we should see the client side image over here on the server side directory once we execute this option. So we go ahead and execute this option, and as you can see here in the server side file explorer, that we now have the client side image also in the server side directory. And so the last option is to delete a user's images on his directory on the server side. And so we go ahead and execute that option, and As you can see, the images deleted. That's it for the JavaFX window. That completes the demonstration of the actual application running. So here we can stop the server, and we already stopped the client side. That is it. Thank you.